Do you want to know how you can log in to your Barclaycard account? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to One2Step. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can log into your Barclaycard account. Go ahead and open your Chrome or Edge browser and in the Google search bar, search for Barclaycard login. Click on the first link which appears on your screen. It will lead you to the official login portal of Barclaycard. Now what you need to do is write down your username or ID number, which consists of 8 to 16 characters. Make sure you have already registered to Barclaycard. Now write down your username or ID password. Scroll down and click next. Write down your password and then click sign in. This way you can successfully sign in or log in to your Barclaycard account. You can click remember these details and then you will not have to log in the next time you want to open your Barclaycard account. I hope this video about how you can log into your Barclaycard account was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.